Meet the all-new, all-in-one 10-inch 400-watt powered subwoofer, designed and engineered exclusively for Bennington. This system features plug-and-play installation, premium marine-grade materials, and powerful bass performance. The Rockford Fosgate and Bennington all-in-one subwoofer system delivers unrivaled excellence on the water. So let's jump in and take a deeper look. The first thing you'll notice is the seamless one-piece design, combining both performance and sleek aesthetics. Housed in the enclosure, you'll find a powerful 10-inch subwoofer paired with a 400-watt amplifier. This streamlined design ensures not only effortless installation, but also exceptional reliability. Now, as far as installation, it was purpose-built to be installed neatly under the bench of the Pontoon and fits in the S, M, and LXS series. At Rockford, we know that materials matter. That's why this enclosure is engineered with a rigid roto-mold design, ensuring long-lasting durability. This subwoofer system also features our innovative focused bass energy technology, which directs the bass to the center of the boat rather than a single location. So no matter where you are on the boat, you'll enjoy an immersive bass experience on the water. Finally, everything in this system is element ready. The enclosure, the sub, and amplifier. So any outdoor elements you encounter won't be an issue, no matter where the adventure takes you.